Hello friends, welcome once again to a Semnofu online math class. In this video, we are going to discuss the Pascal Triangle and see its usefulness in the expansion of binomials. When I say binomials, I mean expansion that has two terms inside. If this is your first time of viewing, kindly consider subscribing to my channel so that you'll be notified each time a new content is uploaded. Now here you see the terms we're having and we wish to expand them. This is raised to the power of 2, this is to the power of 3, and this is to the power of 4. Instead of stressing ourselves expanding, multiplying this by itself into 3 times, or this one by itself into 4 times, you see it will take us a lot of time, but if you understand the Pascal triangle, it becomes very easy for you. Now look at how to get the triangles. Okay, so you've seen the beautiful triangle I have made. In order to make this triangle, just write 1, cover it with 1 and 1. Then that 1 plus 1 will give us 2. You come down again, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 here, cover it again with 1 and 1. Coming here, 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. You cover it again with 1 and 1. Now here, 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. You close it again with 1 and 1. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 10 is 15. 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. Cover it again with 1 and 1. Assuming you want to continue to move down again, this is 1 plus 6 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 21. 15 plus 20 is 35. 20 plus 15 is still 35. 15 plus 6 is 21. 6 plus 1 is 7. You cover it again with 1 and the 1. If you continue doing like this, you keep on getting the triangle down in that manner. Okay, all these numbers here are just like the coefficients of the expansions. They are just that coefficient you get if you employ the binomial expansion. Okay, here is when the power is 1. Here is when the power is 2. When the power is 3. When the power is 4, when the power is 5, when the power is 6, and when the power is 7. So this will help you to know the particular power you are talking about, the coefficient you use. So for the first question here, where the power is 2. So I will make use of these coefficients here. This is the coefficient I will make use of. So if I want to expand the first one here, which is x plus y to the power of 2. So this is the coefficient I will use. So I will have the first coefficient there is 1, multiplied by this x, multiplied by this y. Since the power is 2, this one will be power of 2y, the next one will be power of 0. So that 2 plus 0 will give you 2. As this is reducing, this one will be increasing. Plus, the next coefficient is 2, multiplied by x, multiplied by y. Here, this 2 will reduce to 1. This 0 will increase to 1. So that 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Then plus, the last coefficient is 1 multiplied by the x and the y. The 1 for x will reduce to 0 and the 1 for y will increase to 2. Then since you've taken the last coefficient, you stop. So we have 1 multiplying anything is the same thing, and y power of 0 is 1. So 1 times x squared will give us x squared plus 2 times x times y is 2xy plus anything power of 0 is 1. So we have 1 times y squared, which is y squared. So this is the expansion of this term here. We shall have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now for this one again, if I want to expand it, the power is 3. So I will make use of this coefficient 1, 3, 3, 1. So I will clean the board for space. Okay, so if I want to solve this, this is the coefficient I'm making use of, 1, 3, 3, 1, because the power is 3. So I'm talking of 1, 3, 3, 1. If I want to expand the second one, for the second one, the power is 4. So I'll go for 4, which is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, so I want to clean there because we are no longer making use of this, so that there will be space for the solution of the second and the third problems. So for the second problem, we will have x plus 2 to the power of 3. I will pick the first coefficient 1. It will multiply x and multiply 2. Then, since the power is 3, x will be at 3, so that the 2 will be at 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. Plus, the next coefficient is 3. It will multiply x and multiply 2. The 3 here will reduce to 2, and the 0 will increase to 1. Plus, the next coefficient is 3. It will still multiply x and multiply 2. The 2 will reduce to 1, and the 1 will increase to 2. Plus, the last coefficient is 1. It will still multiply x and multiply 2. The 1 will reduce to 0, and the 2 will increase to 3. Okay, so you'll be doing it in the sense that the sum of the powers will give you your power here, which is 3. Now, 2 power of 0 is still 1. So 1 times x cubed is x cubed, plus 2 power of 1 is still 2. So 2 times 3 will give us 6x squared, plus 2 power of 2 is 4. So 4 times 3 will give us 12x, because x power of 1 is still x, plus x power of 0 is 1, and 2 power of 3 is 8. So 8 times 1 is still 8. So this is the expansion of this particular term here, x plus 2 to the power of 3. Then lastly, where we'll have x plus 2y, I have to clean this board so that we'll have space for the solution of this particular problem. So where I have x plus 2y to the power of 4, remember when the power is 4, we are using 14641. So the first thing here is 1. It will multiply x and multiply 2y. This 2y is seen as one term, so always put it in a bracket. Since the power is 4, y will be at 4, and this will be at 0, plus the next term there is 4. It will multiply x and multiply 2y. The x power of 4 will come to 3, y this will come to 1, plus the next term there is 6 multiplied by x multiplied by 2y, so that the x power of 3 will come to 2, and this 1 will increase to 2, plus the next term there is 4 multiplied by x multiplied by 2y, so that the x squared will increase to 3, and the x squared will reduce to 1, y2 here will increase to 3. Make sure in this case the sum will give you the power of 4. Then plus 1 times x times 2y. The x power of 1 will reduce to 0, and this 3 will increase to 4. Alright, so anything power of 0 is 1. So 1 times x to the power of 4 will give us x to the power of 4, plus 2y power of 1 is still 2y. And the 4 times x cubed times 2y will give us 4. Sorry, it will give us 4 times 2 is 8. You write your 8. Then we'll have x cubed and just y. X cubed y, because 4 times 2 is 8. Then we'll have x cubed and y power of 1, which is still y. Plus, this 2 is affecting not just 2, it's affecting both 2 and y. So 2 squared is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Remember, it's x squared, and y is also squared, as you can see here. Plus 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So 8 times 4 will give us 32. Then that is just x. Then y to the power of 3, plus 2 power of 4 is 16. And x power of 0 is 1, so it is meaningless, because 1 times this will still give us the same thing. So 2 power of 4 is 16, so we'll have 16y to the power of 4. The power is affecting 2 and y at the same time. So this is the expansion of this. You can see how it's going.